Superintendent of Police Jongge East Khas Hills ba Vivek CM ula Kyntu ki paitbah ba dan kam banbu CCTV haki kerdap kien haplau ni kut yeng namar da ka bale kumtai anla ban ringdor yeki runar ki batmu ban rung shapo yeng balle yeki nuki kam pentriam habakran bikila pathai kubor uni uhe pulen ula ongru watla ka long ka badan kam bandan yeki CCTV hapo plau ni wat hakut yeng henry ka bakham kong san hi ka long bandan kawei ka kerdap khanang bakan la ban ringdur la da don kinu ki jingja ni iaki runar ki badan ka jingtemu ban wan le ki kam runar ni kam bamman
urge people in their residence to, at least when you put CCTVs, not only to put CCTV inside your house or in the compound, but at least place one CCTV from your gate towards the road, because the perpetrator of any crime will always come from outside. He's not from inside. Yes, it's good to have inside, but you have to have one at least outside. So now we made it conditional for all guest houses, for hotels and all that, to have CCTV, at least one facing the road. So that is very, very important. That's helped us solve many cases. It has also made it difficult, like you've seen in the Nongra case also. In the Nongra, the first case where the 4-year-old child was killed. There was a CCTV, but it was not working. And there are also cases where there are CCTVs, but not placed, not facing towards the road. And also there are also cases where you don't have CCTVs at all. So it becomes a big disadvantage for the police now that if you have these things in place, it really is a deterrent for criminals. It also helps crime detection.
So would you say like yesterday's joint operation by the police and the different rationale is an example of what you are actually looking for?
See, in fact, this over the years has been a very good thing, since our response mechanisms also is one as such whereby we had looked at CCTVs and all that. The BSF was very helpful in providing their CCTV. The CLG, where we work with the Rambashnong, and I was personally in touch with Bapandrop and the Rambashnong of Ompling and all that. And they were able to provide us the ground information and all that, information from family, and for which we could actually know exactly what is the position of this case and how to respond and to act. So accordingly, different stakeholders had, different response teams had come, be it technology, be it patrolling, be it combing, be it Naka. Everything was actually put in place in a few minutes only. This whole response mechanism had actually panned out.
So